Let's bring in Deepwater Asset Management's Gene Munster. Gene, at 12:30, you tweeted that you thought December was going to be really ugly for Meta, and now we have this. What do you make of all this?
I did think the quarter was going to be ugly in a year-over-year, down year-over-year basis. And I also talked about the easing numbers going forward, and that was going to be one of the focuses. And what I make of this is the results essentially put investors at ease. And what investors need to know is that Facebook Meta is getting back on their footing. And what this translates to is revenue guidance effectively in line with the street, which addresses the macro ad concern. And separately on the DAU number, you're just talking about it, but I want to put a finer point on that. DAUs were up about 3% year over year, 4% year over year. But what really matters is US and Europe DAUs. Those were up about 1%. But 70% of revenue comes from there. And so the second piece that they're getting back on their solid footing is that DAUs in their most important regions are okay, which means that TikTok is being held in check. And so this allows investors to look at the path forward here, which is going to be improving growth rates. And that's what I make of this. And just if I can quickly add a little piece relative to the earnings call, what Zuckerberg said. I was only able to join the first 10 minutes so far. But this plays into the improving numbers and why this is important about their focus on efficiency this year. I mean, as if Zuckerberg is just saying exactly what investors want to hear. I mean, kicks off the call. His first sentence, 2023 is going to be a focus on efficiencies. Their priorities, I mean, I almost had to do a double take on this here. First priority was AI currently in products and AI in future products. Second was improving Reels. Third was adding more features to Message. If you notice, we haven't hit Metaverse yet, and I never heard Metaverse. I'm sure he talked about it by the time I had to jump off here. But what that tells me is Zuckerberg gets it, and that's important.
So, Gene, thanks for coming on. So if we think that Zuckerberg has found religion, which is a reasonable interpretation, what's it worth? How do you think about valuing Meta?
So if you factor in the 18% move here in after hours and what is likely going to happen to earnings, because earnings numbers are going to be coming up probably by 17% based on that $5 billion and lower expenses that they're talking about for 2023. If you put all that together, it's going to be trading at about 15 times 2023. So it's had a huge move. It's doubled. It's still trading at a relatively mild or a reasonable valuation relative to Google's at 19 times, Microsoft's at 29 times. So when you put all that together, Karen, I think that that a lot of FANG. I'm not saying we're in the clear for 2023 here, but it's probably going to gravitate to that low to high 20s number, and that would kind of imply, if you just do the rough math around just a multiple expansion, that can imply kind of 30% upside from where we're at.
Yeah. How do you extrapolate this to others, Gene? I mean, we're seeing the move in Google, for instance. Is this Facebook specific?
I mean, everyone, present company included here, nervous about what the macro is. We're just not seeing it. And I think it's going to be relief. It sets a higher bar, obviously, for Google. What's most important, even beyond the advertising number, is that these behemoths continue to be intact. I think it's a positive read on Apple because they're intact. I think it's a positive read on Google. Hard not to be optimistic after seeing their guidance.